Welcome sa inJoy, ang partner ng pamilya sa negosyo, tupad pangarap ng Pilipino. Hi Joypreneurs! I'm back at it again for another Scramble video. Today, since marami sa inyo ang nagme-message sa amin ng mga other recipes using inJoy Scramble, isi-share naman namin sa inyo ang Scramble recipe using classic scramble with minatamis na saging na saba. So, balita namin talagang patok na patok to sa mga kabataan ngayon. Let's start! For our scramble mixture, imimix lang natin yung 1 kilo of inJoy Scramble into 6 kilos of crushed ice. So, aside from ube, isa ito sa ating mga best seller. And para naman sa mga inJoypreneurs natin dyan na nagtatanong kung paano ang smaller serving ng inJoy Scramble, ang reconstitution lang po natin ay 1:6. So, for example, ang gusto nyo lang ay 500 grams of inJoy Scramble, mix lang po natin siya sa 3 kilos of crushed ice. So, again, 1:6. 1 part of powder is to 6 part of crushed ice. Okay, so pour na natin yung ating 1 pack of inJoy Scramble sa ating 6 kilos of crushed ice. Then, let's use our hand mixer para mas mabilis and mas easy natin siyang mahalo. Makikita nyo na talagang umaalsa yung scramble mixture natin. Ganitong mixture yung gusto natin dahil ayaw natin yung too watery yung ating scramble. So, continue lang natin ang pag-mix until it's foamy. Once ma-achieve na natin ang foamy or ganitong mixture, i-prepare na natin ang ating classic scramble with minatamis na saging na saba. So, prepare na natin yung ating classic scramble with minatamis na saging na saba. And that's it, inJoypreneurs. Hindi nakakasawang merienda for your customer and for your family. Kaya wag na magpahuli, start your own scramble business with inJoy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe on our YouTube channel at inJoy Philippines Official. You can also click the notification bell para mas lalo kayong updated sa aming mga videos. And please don't forget to like and follow us on our Facebook page at inJoy Philippines. Thanks for watching! Bye!